So this is all about try, catch, and finally. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna tell you about one by one what is try and what is catch and what is finally, with definition, syntax, and example, and with the explanation of example too at the same time, right? So let's start with the try. Try statement in JavaScript is used to enclose a block of code in which an error might occur. It allows you to define a section of code that may throw an exception. Right? Now this is the part of syntax. Try, it means code that might throw an error, catch error, and code to handle the error. Everything I just explained, right? When I wrote any code, the downside in the comment section, I told you all also about what is the meaning of that, right? Come to the example. Try code that might throw an error. Let result equal to 10. Undefined console.log result. This line will not be executed if an error occur. Catch error code to handle the error. Console.log console.error an error occurred. Error.message. Now come to the explanation part. Try block contain the code that might throw an error. If an error occurs within the try block, the control is transferred to the catch block. The catch block contains code to handle the error. The error parameter hold information about the error, such as its type and message. The code in the catch block is executed only if an error occurs in the try block. If no error occurs in the try block, the catch block is escaped. The try statement is essential for handling potential error in a controlled manner, allowing you to provide graceful degradation in case of unexpected situation without crashing the entire application. Right? Now come to the catch part. What is the catch? Catch statement in JavaScript is used to handle exceptions that occur within a try block. It allows you to define a section of code that will be executed if an error occurs. Try code that might throw an error, catch error code to handle the error. Come to the example. Try code that might throw an error, let result is equal to 10 and define console.log. This line will not be executed if an error occurs. Catch error code to handle the error, console.error and an error occurred error.message. The try block contains the code that might throw an error. If an error occurs with a try block, the control is transferred to the catch block. The catch block contains the code to handle error. The error parameter holds information about the error such as type and message. The code in the catch block is executed only if an error occur in the try block. If no error occur in the try block, the catch block is escaped. The catch statement is crucial for gracefully handling error and provide meaningful feedback or taking appropriate action when unexpected situation occur. It helps prevent the entire application from crashing due to unexpected exception. Come to the finally. Finally, statement JavaScript is used to define a block of code that will be executed regardless of what way of whether an error occur or not. In the preceding try block, it provides a way to ensure that certain cleanup operation or action take place irrespective of the outcome of the try. Syntax: try code that might throw an error, catch error, code to handle the error. Finally, code that will always be executed with or without an error. Example: try code that might throw an error. Let result is equal to 10. Console.log result. This line would not be executed if an error occur. Catch error code to handle the error. Console.error an error occurred. An error occurred. Error.message. Finally, code that will always be executed with or without an error. Console.log. This block always runs. Right. So What is the meaning of that, man? The try block contain the code that might throw an error. If an error occurs within the try block, the control is transferred to the catch block. The catch block contains the code to handle the error. The error parameter holds the information about the error such as type and message. The violated block contain code that will always be executed whether an error occur or not. The finally block is optional. You can use try and catch without a finally block. The finally statement is useful for situations where you need to ensure that certain action such as a cleanup operation or resource release happen regardless of whether an error occurred. It provides a way to maintain code integrity and perform essential tasks even in the presence of exceptions. That is all about, guys. Try, catch, and finally. Hope you all understand with the syntax. Of all of the try, catch, and finally. Let's meet in another video.